long as we continue to fight, others will come to stand and fight beside us. I long to see you and speak to you. I'm hopeful that our Judius will bring me near you. Until then, I am and will remain most affectionately yours, Gabriel.
Perhaps. We will never know.
This is murder!
Well, Reverend, they're redcoats. They burned it.
We're better men than that.
What do you know about war?
I know the difference between fighting for a
You guys
cause...
abandoned
Murder!
I don't know nothing!
Quiet!
He's right. In the future, full quarter will be given to British wounded and any who surrender.
The British men of war gave no such quarter when it fired on a ship carrying my wife and daughters. I watched from 200 yards off as they were burnt alive.
You have my sympathy, but my order stands.
Damn your sympathy. Who are you to give such an order? I know what you and your men did to my countrymen at Fort Wilderness.
We're militia. This is not regular army. Every man here is free to come and go as he pleases. But while you're here, you will obey my command, or I will have you shot.
Dog, shoot him! Just shoot the damn thing! Take that pistol. You won't let anybody near the wagon.
Rum, Madeira,
No wonder they were guarding it.
officers' uniforms. Hell, you think all this is worth? It's the personal correspondence of Lord Cornwallis. This is his journal.
I say we drink the wine, eat the dogs, and use the papers for musket loading.
Eat the dogs.
Yeah.
Dog is a fine meal.
Good heavens.
I have some maps here for you, sir.
Put him down over there. Thank you.
Here. The proper musket for you.
I don't know about the rest of you, but I don't like the idea of giving muskets to slaves.
Your sense of freedom is as pale as your skin.
Don't listen to them. If we win this war, a lot of things will change.
What will change?
They call this the New World. It's not. It's the same as the old. But we'll have a chance to build a new world. A world where all men are created equal under God.
Equal. Sounds good.
I've just been in the mind of a genius. Lord Cornwallis knows more about warfare than we could hope to learn in a dozen lifetimes.
Well, that's cheerful news.
His victories at Camden and Charlestown were perfect. Perfect. And he knows it, what's more. And perhaps that's his weakness.
Sir?
Pride. Pride's a weakness.
Personally, I would prefer stupidity.
Pride will do.
Finished, my lord. I've taken it in at the back, added wider epaulets, and looped gold braiding.
It's a horse blanket.
Oh, I don't know, my lord. It's really quite nice.
Very nice, my lord. Very well, it's a nice horse blanket.
Colonel Tavington, why, after 6 weeks, am I still here in Middleton Place attending a ball in South Carolina when I should be attending balls in North Carolina? First, the theft of my personal baggage, including my memoirs, upon which I've spent countless hours. Then half the bridges and ferries between here and Charlestown burned. Colonel, if you can't protect our supply lines against militia, how do you intend doing so against the colonial regulars or the French when they arrive?
My lord, they won't fight like regulars. We can't find them.
Colonel, they're militia. They're farmers with pitchforks.
They're rather more than that, I'm afraid, my lord. Made so by their commander, this ghost.
Oh, ghost. You created this ghost, Colonel.
My lord.
Your brutality has swelled his ranks, without which this ghost would have disappeared, and I would be in North Carolina or Virginia by now.
In my defense, my lord.
Oh, enough. Fine soldier, you are bested by a bedtime story. Give me the horse blanket. My lord. To our horror, our supply ship appears to have arrived.
Yes, my lord, it has.
Then why am I still wearing this rag?
My lord, your replacement wardrobe is aboard ship, but Colonel Tavington thought it best to secure our arms and munitions first. They are being unloaded now.
You look good in that color.
Stinks.
It's had a dead man in it.
The beast took your dogs as well.
Yeah. Fine animals. A gift from His Majesty. Dead now, for all I know.
Is there no decency?
Oh, vile words, lovely.